The OptiMate Lithium LFP Select can charge 12.8 volt and 16 volt lithium-ion batteries made from lithium ferrous phosphate technology. The OptiMate Lithium Select delivers a charge of up to 10 amps to a 12.8 volt LFP battery and up to 8 amps to a 16 volt LFP battery. Please note, a lithium battery performs best above 25% state of charge. If frequently discharged below 25%, it will suffer damage that will lead to a shorter lifespan. An LFP battery between 0 and 25% requires a slow recovery charge to recover all cells equally and without suffering further damage. The OptiMate Lithium battery charger is equipped with a first aid save mode that can safely recover the battery from as low as 0.5 volts. Charge voltage selection is made prior to battery connection. Press and release the button. Selection is confirmed when the lights all blink together twice. Selection remains in memory even if you turn off power. Connect to the battery. A charge lamp should automatically light, confirming the battery is receiving charge. If not, one of the following conditions is preventing the battery from receiving charge. If the 16-volt lamp is blinking, the battery voltage is below 15 volts. For a deep discharge 16-volt battery, press the button until lamp 3 lights. If a 12-volt battery is connected, disconnect the battery, select the 12-volt charge mode, and reconnect. If the 12-volt lamp is blinking, the battery voltage is above 15 volts. A 16-volt battery may be connected. Disconnect the battery, select the 16-volt charge mode, and reconnect. If there is no reaction, your battery's voltage is below 0.5 volts. Or, if the battery is fitted with resettable BMS protection, the BMS may be in low voltage protection mode. Press the button until lamp 3 blinks. When lamp 3 turns full on, release the button. LEDs 3, 4, and 5 indicate the battery state of charge at connection and charge progress. LEDs 6, 7, and 8 indicate battery state of health following charge completion. Lamp 3 indicates the battery's state of charge is less than 25%. OptiMate's first aid for lithium batteries ensures all cells recover equally. Charge current is slowly increased as the battery recovers. Lamp 4 indicates state of charge is above 25%. During this bulk charge mode, the OptiMate battery charger actively adjusts charge current to the fastest rate the battery is able to accept. Lamp 5 indicates the battery's state of charge is at 90% or higher. The battery can now be used. But, if left connected, a cell balancing charge is delivered to bring the battery to full charge. Lamp 6 indicates the battery is at maximum state of charge. The battery is tested. If lamp 6 remains lit, the battery is in excellent health. If lamp 7 or 8 light, the battery's health is less ideal. The battery's state of charge is monitored hourly. No charge is delivered unless state of charge drops below 90%. For more information, please visit the product page on OptiMate1.com. A QR code on the charger provides easy access.